Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, classmates. I am Jasper Carceliar, your reporter for this morning about ASEAN regionalism. Okay, lesson objectives of my topic is at the end of this lesson, you should be able to define regionalism and identify factors influencing regionalism in Asia and understand how the nations deal with globalization and regionalism. Okay, definition of terms about regionalism. Regionalism is a straightened collective identity in a conglomerate of nations occupying a particular area, occupying a particular geographic area or aiming at the shared goals increase in economic exchange in a particular area. Okay, now for example, here in Lianga, their goals to improve or to increase their economic exchange in a particular area. Here, it's because regionalism uh, in Asia is daghan jud na siya og kini ang region, but regionalism is atong gitok is all about kanang region herein or region kung asa ka asa mga region, no, basta mga region. Okay, no, here in Lianga is, for example, ang ilahang focus is the kani ang hospitality or the hospitality, kani ang i-improve nila is kanang mga beach resort na to improve their economic exchange or mataas ang value or kini yung mas dako og kita ang ilang area in that okay, introduction. There is no single Asian of regionalism. Baugang is an Takashi enough introduction to ideas of regionalism. Si Baugang He and Takashi Inoguchi. Mo ni silang nakakuha ng introduction sa idea about regionalism. Amidst globalization, another phenomenon is becoming more apparent. Regionalism, Tanaka and Inoguchi, 1996, in compilation of papers presented on the United Nations, articulated that the post-Cold War area is characterized by the unique dynamics and international relations. Okay, now what is post-Cold War? Post-Cold War is a major crisis of period including the Gulf War, Yugoslav War, and First and the Second Congo Wars, First and Second Chechen War, September 11 attacks on Afghanistan 2001 and 2014, and Iraq War. Okay, no? Countries now rely on global forum like United Nations to resolve regional conflicts. Okay, no? As of now is our country is connected into other country to resolve the conflicts or mga problema sa mga country. That's why naay kuan kini ang forums nga all the president of that country must be gipadto nila to resolve the conflicts of that particular nations. Leading to the development of peacekeeping initiative and regional trade organization. What to? Para mapanatili ang peaceful and maiwasan ang madugong labanan. While nations generally more aggressive territorial disputes still exists, affecting political power, economic opportunities in the past. These conflicts could have been resolved through the bloody wars, but now nations use to diplomatic power to mitigate and potential catastrophic outcomes. Okay, no? What is catastrophic? Catastrophic is an unsuccessful kay para unsus ang meaning sa kano catastrophic is unsuccessful para kay naman tay ko ano kaning diplomatic power karon to mitigate to para dili para mapugngan ang about sa kanang mga gera-gera to kuan gani no to resolve or para mawala ng mga gera. Okay? And then the second is emerge of regional cooperation among countries to achieve political and economic goals. Okay, Hernandez 1996 even suggested that such flexibility and fluidity and regionalism is consequential to the end of the war. As we can see nowadays, countries are becoming more open to collaborate with other countries in terms of economic development and a particular human development in general. Post-Cold War events that lead to shift of power from the West to nations with similar cultural identities known as civilization. Okay, no, ang as of now karon no, and then the second is our country is more kini ang flexibility or kani ang nanatay mga connectedness into other countries to collaborate or making sundo sa other countries in terms of economic development. To what is the purpose? To improve our economy. Okay, no? Post-Cold War events have led to shift of power from the West to nations with a similar cultural identities known as civilization. This shift will lead growing commitment to other nations with shared cultural identities. Regionalism is a note by Edris M. 2017 is a manifestation to space of regional arrangement amidst and overabundant world system. Regionalism is necessary to tackling global problem, attempting resilience in a world there where superpower tendencies are acknowledged and addressing growing insecurities within. Okay, no? Through connectedness into other countries, ma-address ang kuano kining insecurity, or if you, for example, you are the lowest country, if you are connected into other country, you will help you to grow or to grow your economy for to para mabawasan ang kanang insecurity or kanang pangbubuli sa inyo. Kay of course you are the lowest country, and the highest country must be bully the other countries because there is more and super powerful than the lower countries. Okay na? Okay, the hitness phases of regionalisms and degree and regionness. All regionalism is bipolar, such that is produced in socialism between opposing political alliance is and to impose the superpowers secures economic security between alliance specific to economic and political objectives, focus only on nation states. Okay na? Ang old regionalism is kung siya nakapokus ra siya in one country, just like para sa una is Ang old regionalism is kanang her and there's ano, her and this nation or states must be focused in this ano, or nakapokus sa ilahang area or not connectedness into other nations. Okay, new regionalisms is multipolar. Multipolar is paano, multi means siya connectedness into other country. It is multilateral engagement collaboration among countries. Okay, no? The connectedness now is mata kini ang old regionalism or new. Okay, okay, no? Now is new is because we are connected to other country and we are open to collaborate into other countries. Okay, no? Spontaneous and sought voluntarily by constituents, open and such as it is multiple, comprehensive, and multilateral political, cultural, economic, and social involves non-state actors. Wala na yung mga kani ang dili lang siya only one but also naka-connect siya sa other connectedness na ang ang new regionalism is open to connect. Okay. Furthermore, Heath ni 1996 suggested that regionalness as a concept has varied degrees. Okay na? Okay, region is a geographical unit. A region can be construed as a place as a physical environment. For example, we can determine Asia as a region based on land, water, and bodies surrounding it. Okay na? As a region as a geographic unit, kanang imong nakabase sa imong area or kaniang geographic unit, or you have a boundary or nara kay limit kung asa kadapit taman even sa land or sa water. You have a boundary kung asa ra kadapit. Unyan, di po ka pwede mo lapas anang boundary kay mag-cause na po na siya og conflict. Okay, region as a social system. A region can be construed as a conglomerate of people occupying particular space, possessing unique dynamics interaction. For instance, we can determine as an Asia as a region based on a group of people occupying it and the shared ancestry, language, culture, and their people have. Okay, social system is kining mga group of people nga kini ang just like kanang mga tribe nato, no, na mga ancestry o kanang mga inistoryahan, culture, ug unsa sila, or kung kana nga particular nga diha sila for example diha sila nga area nabilong, walay ang government to kining ilabtan sila diha kay ilaha man na siyang area, ilahang ancestry or social system or mga lagi mga ilahang mga ilahang panag-iya nga mga area or their own. Okay na? Region is organized cooperations. A region can be construed as a group of nations who agreed to take part and from a formal organization, for instance, Southeast Asia and a region within Asia. And it has been formalized through membership and association of Asia, East Asia, and nation of ASEAN. Okay na, organize and cooperation sa kini ang sa area or ah, sa region is nadyo na siya kuano kini ang formalized through membership in o nakakuha na siya no kaning member na siya sa ASEAN is because you are here in Asia and kay para na kay kuan kanang formal organization or asa kadapit tabilong. Tama ba? Okay, region and civil society. A region can be construed as a network of cultural and social linkages among countries who voluntarily take parts ko kini ang civil society kini ang ang region as a civil society is kanang mga countries nga mo volunteer nga mo kuan sila no take parts or volunteer to basta katon sa mo kuan sa no take of parts about sa kuan society or the social linkages or among countries or the mo connection volunteer to connect into other countries. Okay na, thank you.
Asian regionalism. There are many regions in the world where regionalism can be observed. Asia is among these regions where regional cooperations are emergent and becoming more influential. Hernandez mentioned specific trends which probably necessitate regional cooperation in the Asia-Pacific regions. Security challenges, ecological breakdown, demand for human resources, labor migration, international terrorism, epidemics, and drug trafficking are just among the issues faced in this part of the world, phenomena which demands multilateral response. So, sa kini daw sa Asian regionalism, as we know, ang Asia dili lang man kay kuan adyo na regions. We have Southeast, we have North Asia, Southeast, East, West, and Northern Asia. Naghanay og regions ang Asia along with nations nga apil ana nga regions. So ingon diri there are na daw daghan regions in the world nga ang regionalism nga kita nimo. Sa Asia na diri ang regional cooperation nga sikat diri or mas influential. Na-mention ni Hernandez nga naay specific trends nga mao'y nahimong rason nga ang regional cooperation sa Asia Pacific regions kay nahimong necessary. A few ani kay security challenges, ecological breakdown, demands for human resources, labor migration, international terrorism, epidemics, and drug trafficking. So, mao ni ang mga regions na mention nako, coastal regions, Central Asia, East Asia, Southeast Asia, o Western Asia, or also known as the Middle East. Sa Central Asia, ang nations nga sakop ani kay Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, ug Uzbekistan. Important din nga mga nation kasi part sa Silk Road trade. Unya, ang China na ay cultural ug economical exchange sa Rome. Sa East Asia, ang sakop ani nga mga nations kay China, Hong Kong, Japan, Macau, Mongolia, North Korea, South Korea, ug Taiwan. So, ang Asia kay isa siya sa cradle or kagikanan sa ancient civilizations. Example ani Chinese, Japanese civilizations ug apil pud ang Mongol Empire. So sa South Asia, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, the Maldives ug Nepal. So, ang kuha nila diri kay kuha nilang population daghan. Unya na diri, if you noticed, ang ancient Indian civilization. So, sa Southeast Asia, ang sakop ani nga nations are Brunei, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, Timor Leste, and Vietnam. So, ang kining nga mga nations, makita nimo ni siya sa Asia Pacific Ring of Fire kung permente galino ko gabagyo. So, ang goal ani nga mga nation, ang kining nation sa historically mao daw ni ang goal sa mga European explorers sa tungod sa spices. Naapoy gera tungod aning said spices. So, sa Western Asia or also known as the Middle East, ang mga sakop aning nga mga nations kay Armenia, Azerbaijan, Bahrain, Cyprus, Georgia, Israel, Iran or Iran, Jordan, Kuwait, Lebanon, Oman, Palestine, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Syria, Turkey, United Arab Emirates, and Yemen. So, kini kay arid regions mainly na sa mga init-init. So, nadyo mga desert area. Pero nag-serve sila as gateways or dalan sa huge bodies of water. Isa po na karason nga naapot sila gaaway, mga nations na ay ilang kaugalingong away tungod sa tubig. The Asian region. Asia has been the cradle of several ancient civilizations, such as the Chinese and Indian civilizations. It has also been the home of influential cultural, philosophical, and religious movements. Hinduism, Judaism, Christianity, Buddhism, Taoism, and other Oriental philosophies and religion generally originated from an Asian country and have been an economic force characterized by reduced poverty and fast-paced economic development. So, ang Asia mao din ang kagikanan kung kagikanan gikan ang mga ancient civilization madiskubrihan such as Chinese o Indian civilizations. Dili pod gikan ang mga influential cultural, philosophical o religious movements. So, familiar man gyud ani Hinduism, Judaism, Christianity, Buddhism, Taoism, o napay laing Oriental philosophies or religions nga gikan sa isa ka Asian nga country ug nakatag sa globe. Sa contemporary world, ang Asia na himo siyang economic force nga mailhan base sa reduced poverty o fast-paced economic development. Dynamics of Asian regionalism. In 2008, the Asian Development Bank published Regionalism in Asia. Haruhiko Kuroda, the president of ABD, Asian Development Bank, in the foreword of this manuscript, articulated that the integration is contributory to the economic development experienced by Asian countries then. Kuroda identified some factors which are influential in growing integration at that time. So, sa 2008, ang Asian Development Bank gipailan nila ang regionalism sa Asia. Si Haruhiko Kuroda, ang presidente sa ABD, nga gi-articulate niya nga ang integration kay dako daw contributory dako contribution sa economical development sa nga ma-experience sa Asian countries. Og na-identify po ni Kuroda nga some factors nga ga-influence sa growing integration atong panahon na. Og mao ni ang dynamics of Asian region, morning continuation sa last, enhanced dialogue between citizens of various nations. This is facilitated by the growing tourism activities in the regions and consistent multilateral meetings among leaders of nation states. So, ang kining enhanced dialogue between citizens and various nations na himo ni siya tungod sa gadako nga tourism activities, mga tourists, whether it be outside of Asia or inside of Asia nga magbisita sa anang nations, of course resulta nag-ila-ila sa isig kultura. O kasi apil po ani ang mga meetings sa atong isig ka presidente, isig ka ana sa ilang prospective nations. Expanding integral trade and investments. This brings forth closer financial markets and interdependent economies. So, padakuon daw ang trade sa sulod sa Asia. kini kung atong ipakuan lang sa sulod sa Asia, so mas mahimong close ang isig nations, isig nasyon. Increased connectivity. This is facilitated by regional infrastructure projects as well as collaboration in delivering public goods. So, ang kini increased connectivity kay na buhat ni sa mga projects nga mag-collab ang duha ka nations. Furthermore, Kuroda noted that the market-friendly, multi-track, and multi-speed approach of the Asian integration is beneficial for the Asian region because of the following. Members can integrate based on their capacity on the available opportunities. So, ang mga members doon ni makasabay base sa ilang kapasidad o sa available nga opportunities. Ang ito, it opens up for collaboration and merging of smaller groups. So, ang nag-open, kini daw naghatag o way nga mag-merge ang mga smaller groups, mag-collab. For wata kabalo ang kanang smaller groups karon mahimo nang dako pagkauma. It is responsive to business and open markets. There are various benefits perceived from the Asian integration. So, responsive daw siya sa business on your open markets. Some of those discussed by the Asian Development Bank are as follows. It harnesses the strength of diverse economy. So, harness yung strength. By harness, I mean, tibo ang kusog sa mga diverse economies rather than mag-iya-iya-hayra. It provides platform for connecting financial markets. So, mag-provide daw siya og nga mag-connect ang financial markets. So, ang upsides ani kay reduced capital o dili lang kay ang isa na ay advantage o ang isa kay disadvantage lang. So, both sila pantay, 50-50 ang tanan. Sunod kay it makes the economy more resilient to global risk. So mas lig-on mahimo daw mas lig-on sa global risk, whether it be economical or probably economical or national. It pools resources. It creates regional mechanisms for safety and security. Kuando itigom daw niya ang resources, tungod ani maghimo pud siya og mekanismo para sa safety ug security. For example, magtigom sila kwarta kung naay bagyo nga moabot tay kana nga kwarta ila magamit unya dili na sa personal funds needed sa uban nga budget. Naa man pud disadvantages or challenges nga makuan. So mo ni mga challenges. The need to establish compatible product standards. So if magkuan kag product unya export nimo, need nimo magkuan og product standards. Dili lang kay kung example na to in terms of technology, dili lang dapli nga dali ra na maguba ang imong teknolohiya. Dapat pod na ay standard nga kana dapat lig-on. So, the need to establish guidelines to buffer financial contagion and ensure compatible financial regulations. So, mag-establish yung guidelines para dili ka malugi. Unya, i-ensure nga compatible ang inyong financial regulations, mga regulations ninyo. Dili lang kay ang inyong ang isara ang dili maapektuhan na niya ikaw, maapektuhan. The need to manage cross-border environmental and social policies. Ang kini nag-refer niya siya sa pantay nga pagtratar sa mga migrant workers, migrant or immigrant. So, dapat dili lang kay salig kay Chinese na, Korean or Japan, trataron nimo og lain. Pantay ang pagtratar sa tanan employees. Amitav Acharya, an international relations professor, criticizes Asian regional institutions for not effectively resolving conflicts and disputes. relying on the International Court of Justice instead. Skeptics also note that these institutions have failed to establish trust, thus leading to increased arms acquisition and naval operations. Additionally, there are no humanitarian mechanisms in the region despite its vulnerability to calamities. Amidst the challenges and criticism, cooperations in the Asian region remain to exist, in principle to serve the goal of its members. These cooperations are as follows: the APAC, or the Asia Pacific Economic Corporation, the EAS, East Asian Summit, the APC, Asia Pacific Community, the EAC, East Asian Community, the ASEAN, Association of Southeast Asian Nations, and the APT, ASEAN Plus 3. So si Amitabh, professor daw ni sa international relations. Gi-criticize niya ang mga institutions sa Asia kay wala daw sulbad ang conflict nga effective, wala daw ni ginila gisulbad ang conflict effectively, o mag-rely lang sila sa lain or sa International Court of Justice rather than isulbad nila silang kaugalingon ug mangitag pamaagi para masulbad. Napoy mga skeptics nga nakakita nga kini mga institutions wala sila nag-establish og trust, das nagresulta nga nagnaghan ang pagkuan sa mga armas ug naval operations. Wala po daw humanitarian mechanisms miskan ang Asia bagyohonon ug linogonon. Miskan sa mga challenges of criticism, ang mga cooperation daw sa Asia nagpabilin nga naa para makuha nila ang goal silang members. The ASEAN integration. The Association of Southeast Asian Nations, ASEAN, emerged in the early 1960s as an organization among the Philippines, Thailand, and Republic of Malaysia. Established in July 31, 1961 by Thanat Koman, Felix Berto, and Serrano Tunco Abdul Rahman, the organization aimed for cultural and economical cooperations as well as political goals. So, ang ASEAN na pakita siya emerge or nagsugod sa 1960s. Ang sakop ani una kay ang Philippines, Thailand, ug Republic of Malaysia. Officially na-establish siya sa July 31, 1961 ni Thanat Koman, Felix Berto Serrano ug ni Tunku Abdul Rahman. Ang goal sa organization kay para sa cultural and economical cooperation ang migo-migo lang. Aso napod daw sila political goals. Some challenges were encountered from its inception, such as the lack of confidence from other Southeast Asian nations, presumed political goals, and the dissent from other states because of their alignment with the Western Bloc. So, naa daw challenges ilang na-encounter, such as wala nagsalig ang uban, dili ingon nga mutuo or wala gisalig ang uban Southeast Asian nations. Unya, napod ilang goal, wala guro sila nakagusto sa political goals or walang sila interesado unya sa uban nation nga lain ang ilang alignment. In 1963, President Diosdado Macapagal formed the Great Malayan Confederation involving Malaysia, Philippines, and Indonesia to unite Malay nations. However, this confederation was short-lived and ended by Indonesia-Malaysia confrontasi, which opposed the formation of the Federation of Malaysia. So, sa 1963, sa president nga time nga si Presidente Diosdado Macapagal, napurma niya ang Great Malayan Confederation. Nag-involve sa Malaysia, Philippines, ug Indonesia para i-unite daw ang Malay nations. However, na kadali ra daw kay naa may gikontra man sa Indonesia-Malaysia confrontasi. The ASEAN integration. So, 4 years later, representatives from Indonesia, Singapore, and 3 ASA member states held informal discussions in Bang Saen. formulating the idea of Southeast Asian cooperation. In 1967, they signed the ASEAN Declaration in Bangkok, Thailand, with 5 ministers including Adam Malik, Narciso R. Ramos, Tun Abdul Razak, S. Rajaratnam or Rajaratnam, and Tanat Koman as founding fathers. So 4 years later, ang representative gikan sa India, Singapore ug sa tulo ka ASA members nagkuan sila informal discussion sa Bangsaen na sa idea sa Southeast Asian Cooperation. Sa 1967, nag-sign na sila og declaration. Mauni ang ASEAN Declaration sa Bangkok sa Thailand. Naadira kauban ang 5 ministers as founding fathers. So, sa the ASEAN, Thanat Koman emphasized the importance of SEA's cooperation organization for repelling new colonial powers, working with neighbors with shared interests and identity, and harnessing member state strength for potential conflicts. He also emphasized the role of cooperation in achieving goals that could not be achieved alone. S. Rajaratnam profoundly describes what sets the ASEAN apart from its Asian counterpart. He said, ASEAN, compared to the little dragons of Asia, is a political species with lone wolves hunting separately. ASEAN's strength comes from the cohesiveness of over 300 million people with greater resources than any of the little dragons. The little dragons of Asia were the economies of Hong Kong, Singapore, South Korea, and Taiwan, which were experiencing rapid industrialization and economic growth. So, si Thanat Koman sa year 1985 niya ang importance, kung anong importante nga mo-cooperate ang SEA para sa pagkontra sa mga colonial powers, mga colonizers. Unya work lang kasi mong neighbors rather than kontrahon nimo imong mga silingan nga nations. Nga imong makig-work kasi ila pag pareha inyong interest. So, si Rajaratnam o Rajaratnam, iyang gi-describe ang rason nga ang ASEAN lahi sa iyang Asian counterpart. Iyang giingon ani kay ang ASEAN kumpara sa Little Dragons of Asia kay ang Little Dragons of Asia kay political species with lone wolves hunting separately. Separately meaning sila ra. Wala sila nag-work together, wala sila nag-group ana. Ang kusog sa ASEAN gikan sa pagkadikit-dikit sa over 300 million people nga mas labaw pa og resources kaysa Little Dragons. Ang Little Dragons nga of Asia nga mentioned kay ang Hong Kong, Singapore, South Korea ug Taiwan nga atong panahon na nag-experience sila og rapid industrialization and economic growth. So rapid industrialization meaning development sa technology, whether it be technology or technology and economy. So, thank you.
The ASEAN Plus 3 Cooperation. The Association of Southeast Asian Nations is a regional organization that comprises 13 member states that include the Brunei, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, and Vietnam, plus the China, Japan, and the South Korea. In 1997, the summit was held in Malaysia among member states of the ASEAN and the 3 other countries, the China, Japan, and the South Korea. As a necessary dialogue due to financial turmoil, at that time, Yang Yi in 2017, this led to a formalized cooperation, the ASEAN Plus 3, through a joint statement issued in 1999 during the 3rd ASEAN Plus 3 Summit held in Manila. The commitments in this cooperation focuses on issues on energy, transportation, and technology. The ASEAN has made significant progress in economic integration with the establishment of the ASEAN Economic Community, or the AEC, in 2015. The AEC aims to create a single market and production base characterized by free trade area, single market, and regional economic governance. So here in the next slides, we don't need to discuss furthermore. All you need to do is to take note this. These are the key points about the ASEAN Declaration and Accord and Brief Declaration. ASEAN integration. ASEAN integration has gained prominence in the recent years, sparking decisions among experts and prompting public inquiries about its true nature and purpose. In the case of the ASEAN, we can arguably trace back integration to its establishment in 1960s, although more formally in the conceptualization of the ASEAN Vision 2020 in the 1997. In this meeting, leaders reaffirmed their commitment to Bangkok Declaration 1967 and rearticulated the aspiration of Kuala Lumpur Declaration in 1971. It is also where they called for a more consolidated effort to forge an Asian community. So dito daw sa deklarasyon na ito, ang kanilang aspiration is ang makabuo ng isang matatag, mayaman at mataas na kompetitibong rehiyon ng ASEAN kung saan ang mga bansa ng ASEAN ay maaaring mabuhay sa kapayapaan, kalayaan at kaginhawaan, at kung saan ang kanilang mga mamamayan ay maaaring makaranas ng mga benepisyo sa ekonomiya, panlipunan at kultural. So in summary, the ASEAN is among the oldest cooperation in the modern times. In understanding regionalism in the context of globalization, the case of the ASEAN serves as a good example on how states of shared ideologies, cultures, and goals forge partnership among one another to enhance the probability of arriving at a desirable end. There are difficulties in maintaining such cooperation, especially in a world where competition is the driving force for action. At the end of the day, it is also a question not only to the leaders of the states, but also to us individual citizens. 10 to 15 years from now, what vision of sea do you see? What vision of the world do you see, and how will you take part in your own little ways to reach that vision you have? So that's all. Thank you.